Are you tired of staring at rows and columns in Excel that just won't switch? Don't let boring data tables ruin your day. With this quick and easy tutorial, you'll learn the most effective way to switch rows and columns in Excel. To start, select the area you want to switch. It's time to give those rows and columns a makeover. Once you've selected the area, right-click and click Copy, just like copying your favorite memes to share with coworkers. Next, head to the cell where you want to place the upper left-hand corner of the newly switched area. Think of it as finding a cozy spot for your data table to take a nap. For example, we'll use cell E2. Now, right-click and click on Paste Special. You'll see the Transpose function, ready to switch rows and columns of your table. Select it, hit OK, and voila! You now have a copy of the original data table with its rows and columns switched. It's like a game of musical chairs, but with Excel cells. Alright folks, we're not done yet. I've got a special bonus tip for you on formatting those new column headers of quarters. They're just waiting to be transformed into works of art. First, let's find the cell with the desired format. We'll use cell B2 as our example. Next, head on over to the Home tab in the ribbon, and look for the Format Painter button in the Clipboard section. Now, it's time to get creative. Click on the Format Painter button and then click and drag over the new column headers to apply the format. Just like that, your headers have been transformed into a masterpiece. And there you have it, a fun and easy way to format your new column headers in Excel. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below, and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.